Hi guys, my name is Roslan. Today we're gonna show you this amazing website. It's high risk, high rewards. So basically, it's gonna give you 14% for 12 days. Minimum deposit is $15, the maximum is 1 million. Total ROI is 168%. So you're gonna get your money back 100% plus 68% profit. As we can see here, if we put $100, you're gonna get $14 daily profit. So the profit is gonna be 168. So you're gonna profit $68. So as you can see here, you can read all of this, guys. I will leave my link in the description. Zero commissions, blah blah blah. As you can see here, total investments is $100,694. This website has been working for 6 days, and total visitors right now is 53. As you can see here, guys, you can see the live deposits 1,350 and the last withdrawals. So as you can see here, small withdrawals because people are taking daily withdrawal, and the project is kind of new. So you're gonna register. This is your dashboard. You're gonna see here total balance, total earned. Let's go to the make deposit. You can see here perfect money, Litecoin, Dogecoin, all of these guys you can use to do deposits and withdraw. So I'm gonna deposit $100 after this video, and let's see what's going on. So you can take your money every day for 12 days. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe so I can give you more projects like this. And guys, please be safe. Try to start with small amounts because these projects are risky. So take your time. It's high risk, high profit. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.